So I got this Sniper EFI throttle body on my Magnum, and I've driven it around for 137 miles now, trying to get it to learn. Driving at various speeds. It's still in the learn mode. I guess it's going to be there for a while. What it does is it tries to figure out your coolant temperature and your throttle position and the load on the car and all that crap like that, and come up with what it takes to hit the target of 14:1 of your air to fuel. And so let me see. My transmission temperature is about 170. I got at idle, I've got about 15 pounds of oil pressure, which is normal for this. My coolant temperature is about 200. And this is the first time I've stomped on this car. Now the speedometer is a GPS style speedometer, so it's going to lag a little bit. It takes a little while for it to catch up, so it's always behind a little bit. But here we go, the first time I've hammered this car with the EFI on it.